Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn problem number 147, insertion sort. Okay, insertion sort list. Okay, so given the head of a single linked list, sort the list using insertion sort and return the sorted list head. The step of the insertion sort algorithm. The insertion sort iterates, consuming one part element each repetition and growing a sorted output list. Each iteration insertion sort remove one element from the input data and find the location it belongs with the sorted list and insert it there. Repeat until no element remain. Okay. So if you have like a number of list, then we need to insert the number at exact position. Like if you have a 4, 3, and 1. Now you have number which is a 2. So you want to insert in the list. So you need it will find the correct position. Then it will insert there. Okay. So here you can see example 4 3 1 2. Now we need to we got output 1 2 3 4. Okay, so if you had like this and we got output in this form, in sorted form. So here you can see oh, suppose the input linked list is 4 2 1 3. Okay, so at the start we also have dummy node. Okay, dummy node just for helping and initialize with the value 0. Okay, so dummy equals to none. So at the start we have dummy. So step 1 current equals to 4. So we have current element equals to 4. The sorted list is currently empty. We have insert 4 after the dummy. Okay, so after the by default we have dummy, and after dummy we need to insert 4 here. Okay, so next is none. Now current move to, okay, current move to 2. Okay, so step 2 current equals to 2. Okay, here you can see this one. Now current equals to 2. So start from the dummy to find the correct sports. Okay, so after dummy we have 4 and 4 is greater than 2. So 2 must be inserted before 4. Okay, so here dummy 2 4 and none. Now current element to move to a 1. Okay, so step 3 current equals to 1. So here we need to check start the dummy again, and after dummy we have 1 2 and 4. Sorry, after dummy we have 2 and 4. So we need to insert 1 before 2. So here 1 2 4 and none. So now current element move to 3. Step 4 current equals to 3. Start from the dummy. So after dummy we have 1 is less than 3. Move forward. 1 is less than 3. Move forward. And 2 also less than 3. Move forward. Next is 2. And next is 4. 4 is greater than 3. Stop here. And insert 3 before 4. So dummy equals to sorry, so in our new sorted list dummy 1 2 3 4 and none. Now current equals to none. Sorting is finished. The final answer 1 2 3 4. So the main goal is take a one node current node at a time and transfer from the dummy to find the right position in the sorted path. Insert the node at that position and move to the next node. Okay, so here I am going to solve this. This is the function, and we have a head list node and dummy equals to list node and current equals to head. this is a already this is a predefined class from Leetcode. This is the list node, and this is the function construction initialization. Self dot value equals to all value and self dot next equals to next. Okay, so these are predefined, and the class is also predefined by Leetcode, and this is the function already defined by Leetcode. Here self and head, these are the arguments. Okay, head means this one. Oh, this one, list node head, and dummy equals to list node equals to 0. Okay, initially we took dummy list node 0, dummy node to act as a new head of the sorted part, and current equals to head. Now I am going to write code. While equals to current, previous previous equals to dummy. So I forget to put this condition here. Preview equals to preview dot next.